Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make quick, easy and delicious dessert. This is called Ambrosia. These ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Now to a bowl, I am mixing 1 16-ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese until this is light and airy. I'll be adding 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. Remember to stop and scoop everything right back into the bowl. Mix well. So we continue mixing until this becomes nice and smooth and creamy. Okay, after we would have mixed our cream cheese and condensed milk to a nice smooth consistency, I'm adding 1 tub of Cool Whip. This would be gently fold into this mixture. This dessert is super delicious. Now I'm adding some fruits. I'm using strawberries, some diced apples. I'm also using pineapple and some pears. Now you can choose whatever fruits you like to add to this mixture. Oh, that smells so good and tastes absolutely amazing. Okay guys, after everything is nice and combined, you set this aside to serve later. You do not freeze this, you put this in your refrigerator. Now I'm going in for a taste, guys. Super delicious. Guys, this is a must-try recipe. If you do, please let me know how yours turned out. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you're new to my channel. If you're already here, thank you so much. Share, and comment.